In today's episode, we'll walk you through several key aspects of deep soil cultivation, essential knowledge for every farmer. We'll also answer some of the most common questions farmers ask when deciding whether deep cultivation is the right choice for their fields. Let's start by clarifying two fundamental terms that often come up when talking about soil structure and tillage. What is a plow pan? A plow pan is a heavily compacted layer of soil that forms at a depth of approximately 25 to 30 centimeters, usually as a result of the soil being compacted by the wheels of heavy machinery over the years. This dense layer prevents water from soaking through the soil properly and restricts root growth, which can significantly reduce crop performance. What is subsoiling? Subsoiling is the process of loosening the soil without turning it over. It involves breaking up compacted layers at a depth of 40 to 60 centimeters, allowing better water infiltration, improved aeration, and deeper root development. By loosening the soil profile, subsoiling helps plants access more nutrients and moisture stored deeper underground. Why is subsoiling important? Subsoiling improves the flow of both air and water within the soil, creating a more balanced and productive environment for crops. It can increase yields, particularly for deep-rooted plants such as maize or rapeseed, and it helps eliminate problems associated with excessive compaction. In short, a well-subsoiled field breathes better, drains better, and grows better. When should subsoiling be done? Experts recommend carrying out subsoiling every 3 to 4 years, especially on heavy or medium soils. These soil types are most prone to compaction and water stagnation, which can hinder root development and overall plant health. Regular deep loosening prevents these problems before they appear. How can you check if your soil is compacted? Soil compaction can be evaluated using a penetrometer, a tool that measures resistance within the soil. However, there's also a simpler method. Take a metal rod and push it into the ground. If you encounter strong resistance, it's a clear sign that the soil is compacted and needs to be loosened through subsoiling. Now that you know the answers to some of the most frequently asked questions, let's move on to the basic principles of deep cultivation. Subsoiling should be performed 10 to 15 centimeters below the plow layer. The best time to carry out this operation is right after harvest or before sowing. The optimal working speed for a subsoiler is between 6 and 8 kilometers per hour. It's important to avoid subsoiling on waterlogged fields or in areas with shallow drainage systems, as this can damage the pipes and reduce the effectiveness of the operation. Subsoilers vary in tine design and spacing. Straight tines are typically used for breaking and loosening the soil, while curved tines expand the loosened zone and mix the layers more effectively. Choosing the right configuration allows you to match the tool to your soil conditions and desired results. At Rolmako, our most popular subsoiler models include the U602, U608, U614, U619, and U624. Each model offers different working widths and configurations to suit various farm sizes and tractor powers. You can find the full technical specifications for each of them on our website, rolmako.com. And now, let's summarize the key benefits of deep loosening. Better permeability for both air and water, increased water retention within the soil, improved soil structure and rooting conditions, higher yields, and better overall crop quality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our next helpful and informative episodes.